Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Realme Buds T100 with any iPhone or iPad. First of all, open this charging case, wait until this indicator turns on, remove left and the right earbud, and then you have to click and hold on the left and the right touchpad until you will hear this notification sound. So basically put it close to your ear, for example the right one. So click and hold and put one of it close to your ears. Right now, after it takes like 2 or 3 seconds, I can hear that notification sound. So we have to go to the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and from other devices list we have to select our Realme Buds T100. And after a few moments we will be successfully connected. There we are. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.